Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I know that I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back. And I also have a BoxyCharm that I'm going to be unboxing. Now, I know that I'm late and we are in January 2021, but don't blame me, blame BoxyCharm. They just sent me my box. And today, we're going to be unboxing my December BoxyCharm. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below on any of these products that you like, want, or want to see me try again. So for those of you who have never heard of BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription where you pay $25 for the base box and you get 5 full-size products. So I'm pretty sure you've all seen everyone else's December BoxyCharm unboxing, but I'm gonna share with you what I got in my box because, as you know, every box is different and nobody ever gets the same thing. So this month, or last month rather, the theme for BoxyCharm was bubbles and glitz. So the first item that I got in my box is this Luxie Iconic brush set. It retails at about $45, which I think is kind of pricey for brushes. So I'm really glad I got something like this in my box this month because I would like to try them out. I have tried the Luxie brushes before and they are pretty good quality. So let me go ahead and open these up so that you can see what kind of brushes they have for us. So it comes with comes with 5 brushes. We have the small shader. We have the flat definer, which is this one. I really like these type of brushes because I always like to use them for under my eye or my eyebrows. We also have the small tapered blending, so we will be using this today. I have a pencil brush. I'm excited to try this one on my lower lashes. And finally, we have the large shader. So we're gonna be working with all of these, I believe, today in our eye look. And next in my box, we have the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions. I am super excited that I got this in my box after watching the Angela Bright eyeshadow look that she did with it. And I can't wait to also see what looks I can come up with, especially since Valentine's Day is coming up and I probably want to look cute with some red or some pink. So this palette I think is perfect for Valentine's Day or any type of like red look, that's something different that I want to try. So what I'm gonna do is recreate the look from the Angela Bright YouTube video with the Luxie Brush Iconic set in the Ruby Obsessions palette. So stay tuned, I'm gonna put on some concealer and I will be right back. Okay, so I am done with this eye look and I am loving it. I really do like the palette, the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. I think that is very pigmented. I love how the colors just went straight on. I didn't have to like keep dipping in them, except for this one particular color that I was like, I don't know if I'm feeling it. And it was this red satin color right here. I was using it with the pencil brush, so I think that might have been the problem. If only if I would have just used it along my lower lash line, then it probably would have applied better than what I was anticipating. But again, I got this from Angela Bright, which I love her eye tutorials. I just wanted to try it out on myself. But let me know what you think about the Huda Beauty Ruby palette and if it's something that you would like to try. So next, what I'm gonna do is go put on a full face for you guys, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back. I went in and put on my full face. If you know me, you know I like to use the Too Faced concealer under my eyes and my T-zone, and I'm in the shade Mocha. And then I also went over that with the Fenty Beauty Foundation Soft Matte. I am in the color, let's see, 410. I really like the Fenty Beauty foundation because I feel like it matches my skin perfectly. And then after that, I went in with a little bit of translucent powder, some bronzer, and some blush. What I did is I went into the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and I actually used this shade right here on my cheeks, just a little bit of it because I wanted it to match the colors into my eyes. So that's what I did for my cheeks. No highlighter because I just want to keep it like a simple matte-ish face, and then just let the eyes pop and shine on their own. So that's my full face. So let's see what the next item is that we have in my box. So the next item that I have in my BoxyCharm box is the, let's see, the Tarte Man Eater mascara. Now, normally my go-to mascara is the It Superhero mascara. As you can tell, my eyelashes, they're non-existent. They don't curl, they're not long, they don't do anything at all. So for me to like a mascara, it has to really work for me. So we're gonna try out this Tarte Man Eater mascara. Can't wait to try. Let's get it open. Here. Oh wow, she's pretty. I like her. Let me get my little mirror so I can see what I'm doing besides looking in the phone. And we'll try it with the phone first. Okay, so the bristles, as you can see, they really aren't that much, but I think it all just matters on the formula of the mascara on how it's gonna work. So let's just give it a try on these top lashes here. Normally I would go in with a eyelash curler, but for this look, I just want to try it without the curler just to see. Oh, crap. Did you see that? Oh my gosh. So I just tried to cover up that little mascara dot that I put on my eye. Hopefully you guys can't see it, but let me know if that ever happens to you when you're putting on mascara and you like dot it somewhere. It's so weird. So I do like the Man Eater Matte Tarte Mascara. I do feel like it does darken my lashes. You makes them visible. You can see them better than as if I didn't have any mascara on. So I do like that part. You have to work really quickly with it because if you don't, it dries and you won't be able to put it on your lashes. I like how my lower lashes are popping and you can see them. But I'm normally wearing like false lashes. So the only thing I would probably be using it for is my lower lashes so that those can pop through and shine on. So the next item that we have in my box is the Glamnetic eyelashes, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people got this in their December BoxyCharm. I'm super excited to try these because I have never worn magnetic lashes before, and I'm excited to see how they work. I mean, I have no problem with the regular glue, so to be using magnetic lashes, if it's anything to help me with my morning routine when I have to put my makeup on and go to work, hey, I'm down for it. So as long as it doesn't give me any trouble, we're gonna see what it works like. How the lashes work. I have the style Baby Girl. Baby Girl. So I'm excited. Wonder if I need tweezers or if I can just use my fingers. I'm gonna try to use my fingers. I don't feel like looking for tweezers. Okay, so they come on a little band thing like this. And I'm just gonna pull it. Oh, I see. So it comes with the little magnetic pieces on there. Not sure if y'all can see that, but that's how they work. The little magnetic bands on here are gonna stick to the magnetic eyeliner. Let's see. Ooh. Oh crap. So these are super easy to put on. However, when they snap on there, trying to, there we go, line it up with my eyes. These are cute. I like these. What do y'all think? However, one thing about the liquid eyeliner, I can feel it drying, and as it's drying, it's kind of like irritating my eyes. So if you have sensitive eyes, I would be careful of that, because I can already feel my eyes are itching, and I do have sensitive eyes. Trying to lock this one into place because you can actually feel it locking on the eyeliner. I need a mirror for this side so I can see. Okay, they pull off pretty easy. They go on really easy and they pull off pretty easy. So I like them. This is the style Baby Girl, which is my style. They are kind of long. I'm not used to having my lashes on this long, but for an evening out or a special outing, I can rock it. It's not that bad. All right, so I have one more item in my box. Let me see what this is. Final item in my box is the MAC matte lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. So we're gonna put this on last. First, I'm gonna go line my lips, and then I'm gonna put this on, and then see what you guys think. All right, so now I have on my lip liner. Let's open up this matte MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy. Smells like cocoa. It does smell good, so that's a plus thing. If you want to put anything on your lips, you don't want it to stink. But here's the color. It's a pretty brown pinkish color, I guess you can say. So I'm gonna just slide it on. So this is my final look for my BoxyCharm December 2020. What do you guys think? Do you like the eyeshadow? Do you like the lashes? Do you like the lipstick? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.